If you think civilization started with farming, our story has a massive gap. Long before the first harvest, we already had a partner through the brutal Ice Age. Now, ancient DNA from the heart of Anatolia is pushing this bond further back than we ever imagined. This wasn't just a hunting pact, it was one of history's first social revolutions. How did wild wolves turn into family? Here are the secrets of that genetic journey. For a long time, we believed our friendship with dogs began around 11,000 years ago. Well, think again. New breakthroughs in ancient DNA are rewriting the history books. Believe it or not, our bond with these four-legged explorers goes back much further, at least 16,000 years. It's easy to assume the secrets of our past are buried in the most remote places on Earth. But the reality? A major piece of the puzzle was found in a legendary crossroads called Anatolia. Scientists discovered ancient dog remains in hunter-gatherer settlements that are nearly 16,000 years old. To understand this, researchers looked at something called nuclear genomes. Think of a genome like a massive, dusty library. Every book in that library contains the secret instructions for building a living being. By reading these ancient books, scientists demonstrated that these Paleolithic dogs aren't just random animals. They are the direct ancestors of every dog you see today, from the tiny Chihuahua to the giant Great Dane. This suggests that even before we settled down to farm, we had already started the long process of turning wild wolves into our most loyal companions. But why does this change everything? In the past, we thought dogs were just tools. We thought they were just there to help us hunt or guard our camps. Except the reality is much more touching. In these ancient sites, humans didn't just use dogs, they respected them. They found dogs buried with rituals just like humans. This tells us that even in the middle of a brutal ice age, a deep emotional bridge was built. It wasn't just a survival pact, it was a social revolution. These animals weren't just pets, they were members of the family. If you have a dog, you know they aren't just animals, they're family. Is it surprising to learn that 16,000 years ago, hunter-gatherers felt exactly the same way? Let me know in the comments. The catch is this friendship changed both of us forever. By studying these ancient blueprints, we are learning about genetic bottlenecks. Imagine a giant highway that suddenly narrows down into a tiny tunnel. That's what happens to genetics over thousands of years. Understanding this tunnel helps us decode the biological traits and health of dogs today. Most of the time, we think we tamed nature. But looking at this 16,000-year-old story, maybe it's the other way around. Maybe, in the heart of the Ice Age, it was the dog that helped us become truly human. Understanding our past is the only way to navigate our future. And as we continue to push the boundaries of science, who knows what other secrets are waiting to be uncovered? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Fresh Science is here to bring you the most exciting breakthroughs from the edge of discovery. If you want to stay ahead of the latest news in science, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. You can find all the scientific sources used for this video in the description below. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. Stay curious and stay fresh.